Welcome to our latest video where we'll delve into a crucial health topic, managing nerve damage or neuropathy. This condition can manifest through various troubling symptoms such as pain, numbness, or weakness, deeply affecting everyday life. While medical treatments form the cornerstone of managing neuropathy, the role of diet in supporting nerve repair and symptom relief is often underappreciated. Today, we're shining a light on a unique category of nourishment: white foods. Often overlooked in discussions about superfoods, these white wonders pack a surprising punch in aiding nerve health. We'll showcase how each of these foods contributes to nerve repair and overall neurological health. Before we dive into the list, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Now, let's unveil these 8 remarkable white foods that could be vital in your diet for supporting nerve repair and alleviating symptoms of neuropathy. Starting off our list at number 8 is cauliflower, a white vegetable that's more than just a side dish. So, what makes cauliflower so special for nerve health? Let's break it down. Cauliflower is loaded with antioxidants. These are like your body's own personal defense team against damage at the cellular level. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which is a key factor in cellular damage and has been linked to nerve damage. By fighting off oxidative stress, the antioxidants in cauliflower help protect your nerves from further harm. But that's not all. Cauliflower also boasts significant anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be a big problem when it comes to neuropathy, often worsening the pain and discomfort associated with this condition. The anti-inflammatory agents in cauliflower help soothe this inflammation, which can lead to a reduction in neuropathy symptoms like pain and numbness. So, steam it, mash it as a low-carb alternative to potatoes, or even roast it with some spices for a delicious treat. Its mild flavor makes it a great canvas for a variety of seasonings and culinary styles. Coming in at number 7, we have garlic, a staple ingredient in many kitchens that goes beyond adding zest to your meals. When it comes to nerve health, garlic really shines. It is a natural immune system booster. This is crucial because a strong immune system plays a vital role in the body's overall health and its ability to repair damage, including nerve damage. The compounds in garlic, such as allicin, have been shown to enhance the disease-fighting response of some types of white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses, which could be beneficial for overall health and recovery processes. But what's really exciting about garlic in terms of nerve health are its anti-inflammatory properties. As we've discussed earlier, inflammation can aggravate nerve pain and delay the healing process. Garlic contains compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially aiding in nerve repair. These anti-inflammatory properties can be particularly helpful in conditions like neuropathy, where nerve inflammation is a key concern. A study published in the Journal of Immunology Research highlighted the immunomodulatory effects of garlic compounds, which could indirectly support nerve health. Adding garlic to your diet can be both simple and delicious. Whether it's used in sauces, sautés, or as part of a marinade, garlic adds flavor and health benefits to a wide range of dishes. Sitting at number 6 on our list are mushrooms, a fascinating food that's not just for topping pizzas or enhancing soups. They're a treasure trove of nutrients, particularly beneficial for nerve health. What makes mushrooms so special in this regard? Primarily, it's their rich content of B vitamins. Mushrooms are a great source of several B vitamins, including B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, and especially B5, pantothenic acid. These vitamins play crucial roles in the nervous system. They help in the maintenance of healthy nerve cells and support the process of repairing nerve damage. For anyone dealing with neuropathy, getting enough B vitamins is vital for nerve repair and overall nerve health. B vitamins are also essential for creating neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that allow neurons, nerve cells, to communicate with each other. Proper neurotransmitter function is crucial for transmitting signals within the nervous system, and any disruption in this communication can exacerbate nerve-related issues. Research, including that published in Neurology, has shown that deficiencies in certain B vitamins can lead to nerve damage, while adequate intake can help maintain nerve function and support recovery from nerve damage. So what are you waiting for? Add mushrooms to your diet. They can be sautéed, added to stir-fries, or included in stews. They not only add a savory, umami flavor to meals, but also bring along these crucial B vitamins for nerve health. Ranking at number 5, we're shining the spotlight on oats, a highly nutritious grain that's often the star of breakfast tables. Oats are incredibly beneficial for nerve health. Like mushrooms, this benefit primarily stems from their rich content of B vitamins and magnesium. Oats are a great source of vitamin B1, thiamine, and vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, which are essential for maintaining healthy nerve function. These vitamins play a critical role in the development and maintenance of the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerve fibers. This sheath is crucial for the efficient transmission of nerve signals throughout the body. A deficiency in B vitamins can lead to deteriorating nerve health, making it important to include B vitamin-rich foods like oats in your diet for nerve repair and maintenance. Additionally, oats are rich in magnesium, a mineral that's crucial for nerve signal transmission and muscle relaxation. Magnesium helps to regulate the activity of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that carry messages between nerve cells. Adequate magnesium intake is essential for preventing overexcitation of the nervous system, which can lead to nerve damage. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be included in your diet in various ways. They can be enjoyed as a warm porridge, added to smoothies, or used in baking. They not only add a comforting texture and flavor to meals, but also come packed with nutrients essential for nerve health. At number 4, we're looking at white beans, an often overlooked yet incredibly nutritious food, especially beneficial for those focusing on nerve health. What sets white beans apart is their rich composition of protein and essential micronutrients, notably magnesium and zinc. White beans are a fantastic source of protein, an essential macronutrient for the repair and regeneration of nerve cells. Protein is crucial for the synthesis of neurotransmitters and the repair of damaged nerve tissue. In conditions like neuropathy, where nerve damage is a key problem, having enough protein in your diet is vital for aiding recovery and maintaining healthy nerve function. White beans are also packed with magnesium, which you already know is a mineral that plays a vital role in nerve transmission and muscle relaxation. Zinc, another micronutrient found in white beans, is also important for nerve health. Zinc contributes to the maintenance of the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerve fibers. A deficiency in zinc can lead to nerve dysfunction and symptoms associated with neuropathy. Studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can reduce symptoms in patients with neuropathy. Similarly, zinc's role in nerve health is well documented, with research indicating its importance in maintaining nerve integrity and function. So it's time to add white beans to your diet. They're versatile and can be added to soups, salads, or mashed into a creamy spread. Not only do they add a satisfying texture to meals, but they also bring along a host of nutrients essential for nerve health. Claiming the number 3 spot on our list are parsnips, a root vegetable that might not always grab the spotlight, but is a true hero when it comes to nerve health. Parsnips are not just a tasty addition to your meals, they're packed with elements essential for maintaining healthy nerves. Firstly, parsnips are high in dietary fiber. While fiber is usually praised for its digestive benefits, its role in nerve health shouldn't be overlooked. A diet rich in fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial because elevated blood sugar can damage nerve fibers, particularly in conditions like diabetic neuropathy. By helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels, the fiber in parsnips supports overall nerve health. Parsnips are also rich in essential minerals that play a direct role in nerve function. For example, parsnips contain potassium, a key mineral for nerve signal transmission. Parsnips also provide a good amount of magnesium, which is particularly important in managing conditions like neuropathy. Roast some parsnip to bring out their natural sweetness, mash for a comforting side dish, or add them to soups and stews for extra nutrition and flavor. Securing the number 2 position on our list is tofu, a staple in many vegetarian diets, but equally important for anyone looking to support their nerve health. Tofu is not just a versatile and protein-rich food. It also offers specific benefits for nerve repair and muscle strength. The high protein content in tofu is crucial for the repair and regeneration of nerve cells. Proteins are the building blocks of the body, essential for repairing damaged tissues, including nerves. For individuals experiencing neuropathy, where nerve damage leads to symptoms like pain or weakness, consuming adequate protein is vital for the healing process. Tofu provides a plant-based source of high-quality protein that can support this repair. But tofu brings so much more to the table than just protein. It's also a great source of calcium. While calcium is well known for its role in bone health, it's also important for nerve function. Calcium plays a key role in nerve signal transmission. It's involved in the release of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that nerves use to communicate. Adequate calcium intake ensures that nerve signals are transmitted efficiently, which is crucial for maintaining proper nerve function. Furthermore, the calcium in tofu can contribute to muscle strength. Nerve damage often affects muscle functioning, leading to weakness or loss of muscle control. Calcium, along with protein, helps in maintaining and rebuilding muscle strength, which can be particularly beneficial for those recovering from nerve damage. Incorporating tofu into your diet is simple and can be quite delicious. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to smoothies, adapting well to different flavors and cooking styles. Before we reveal the food in our coveted #1 spot, we have some exciting news. We now have our own line of merchandise. You can find the link to our merchandise right below this video. Every purchase helps support our channel and allows us to continue bringing you valuable content. So, take a moment to explore our merch and maybe find something that catches your eye. Now, back to our countdown. At #1, we have onions. These common kitchen staples are much more than just a flavor enhancer for your dishes. They're a powerhouse for nerve health. Onions are loaded with flavonoids and sulfur compounds, both of which have remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, making them especially beneficial in managing neuropathy symptoms. Neuropathy, or nerve damage, often manifests as pain, numbness, or tingling, symptoms that can be exacerbated by inflammation. The flavonoids in onions, particularly quercetin, are known for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help reduce inflammation around the nerves, which can alleviate some of the discomfort and pain associated with neuropathy. Onions also contain sulfur compounds that contribute to their health benefits. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects as well. In the context of nerve health, reducing inflammation is key to managing symptoms and aiding in the healing process of damaged nerves. Studies have shown that diets rich in anti-inflammatory foods, like those containing flavonoids and sulfur compounds, can help in reducing chronic pain and inflammation. So, whether sautéed, caramelized, or raw in salads, onions not only enhance the taste of your meals, but also bring these valuable anti-inflammatory benefits. As we conclude our journey through the 8 white foods to repair nerve damage, it's clear that each item on our list brings unique and crucial benefits to the table. But remember, while these foods are beneficial, they're part of a larger picture. A balanced diet, alongside appropriate medical treatment and lifestyle changes, is essential for effectively managing nerve damage. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health conditions or dietary requirements. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health-related content. Don't forget to share your thoughts and any additional tips in the comments section below. Your insights could be invaluable to someone else on their path to better health. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and let's continue to nourish our bodies and minds with the right foods.